old is that giraffe?
Well, I guess will be over 30 years, I guess.
Wow.
Yeah. Look at the tongue,
Yeah.
bluish tongue, right?
Still going strong, huh? How old do they live to be?
They reckon probably 40 or plus.
Wow.
Yeah.